Good morning, students. Welcome to in our online classes. Now we are starting chapter 4, that is the structure of the atom, which is the last chapter of chemistry in class 9. Atom. What is atom? Term A and term. Atom is made by two words, A and term. A is equal to not and term is equal to divisible. The term atom is made on behalf of not divisible. It is supposed that atom is the smallest particle which takes part in chemical reaction. To take part in chemical bond formation, that is chemical reaction. But one of the view, that is it is not divisible, is wrong at the same time. This view was proposed by Sir Dalton and their co-workers. Sir Dalton proposes their view that atom is not divisible again in smaller particles and it takes part in chemical bond formation. It is eligible to take part in chemical bond formation. But this view is not acceptable at the same time. Sir J.J. Thomson and their co-workers proposes that electron contains some charged particles. From such particle, he discovered electron, which is negatively charged in nature. How electron was discovered? Discovery of electron is based on experiment of William Crookes and their co-workers. William Crookes and their co-workers taken one of the vacuum tube and arranged the electrodes. The term electrode have jointly made by two plates called as cathode and anode. Cathode is negatively charged in nature and anode is positively charged in nature. He plated zinc sulfide on anode. After passing electric current by battery using their key, he observed that some of the rays are originating from negative plate cathode and moving towards positive plate anode. Such rays originating from cathode, so called cathode rays. Cathode rays are moving towards positive plate. It shows that cathode rays are negatively charged in nature. When small wheel is arranged in the path of cathode rays, such wheel it begins to move like this one. It shows that cathode rays have mass. 1 unit of cathode ray contains 1 unit of cathode ray which contain mass, that is mass of electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. When you take it in gram, then it is called as 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, because 1 kilogram has 1000 gram. In both the units you can say. And 1 unit of such cathode ray have 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb charge. One unit of cathode ray is called as electron. Such term electron was given by Sir J.J. Thomson. So it is called that electron was discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson. And after discovery of cathode ray, that is electron, such concept that atom is not divisible get failed, because one of the particle, smaller particle, that is named as electron, was discovered. And I have already told you that what is the mass of electron and what is the charge of electron. And discovery of canal ray, we will tell you at next day. Thank you. Thank you very much.